So we're just hiking along the gentle upper slope of the ridge up to Persis. And I've got Niko wrapped in a down jacket so it doesn't get chilly. We're just starting to see traces of snow. And I dropped off my little chainsaw about 10 minutes ago near the top so I can cut all the snags out on the way back down, or as many as I have gas for. And it's a beautiful day in mid-November 2019. And there is a little bit of the Cascades. Classic. Now there's deer tracks in the snow, and Niko is very interested in them. Let's see if they continue here. Yep, deer tracks. Those are the only tracks up here besides mine that I've seen so far. And I haven't even seen mine because they're behind me and I'm going forward. Go, go. Running uphill. That's how I roll. Okay, I think we're breaking out into a meadow here, which is good because there's water and my bottle is empty because I kind of just had one swallow in it. If it isn't iced over, we can get more water in the meadow, or maybe we'll hike up to the tarn and get water from there. Got my ice axe. I'm not sure if it's showing. So, I guess I can break the ice if I need to. I've got a filter. Probably don't need a filter up here. Whoa. And I have in my backpack, I have microspikes, Catulis. And you're going to watch me dance over this ice here. Let's see how Niko likes the ice. What do you think of that? Alright, let's go. Get through here without breaking through or falling over. There are some spots here that are a foot deep or so. So one last pitch up here, and there's a tarn up there, but here's a nice little bit of flowing water. It looks delicious, and I will grab some. This is kind of interesting. You can hear the lake draining behind me. And then every once in a while you hear a crack. And I think what's happening is the water level is lowering and the ice is dropping, except for where there are rocks sticking through. Such as here, for example. And every once in a while you hear it pop. This is the first turn on the way up to Persis. I think this is my turnaround point because I need to clear some brush on the way down. Let's go! Come on, Niko, let's go! What do you think about that? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Come on, go, go. Go, go. Come on, let's go. I need both hands for this. So we're on the way back down, and this is the what I call the Persis approach rock, which is iconic indication you're kind of on the shoulder or the rounded part of the climb. Now I am going to zoom out here, and we'll run down the trail a little bit and encounter where I hip. No, let's go. Come on, let's go. Go. No. He wants to come up. Try to climb my leg. Okay, gonna run down the trail a little bit here, and pretty soon we're going to hit a section where I cleared with the brush cutter, and then that's where the chainsaw stashed. We'll grab that and go a little bit further down and start clearing some snags. That was to try to show you following dog, adventure dog. Ooh, caught my foot on that log. It's not too much further, I don't think, but gotta kind of get into a woodsy area too. Go. Okay, I'll film again when we see the stumps. And this was like 5 seconds later, of course. This is what I cleared out with a brush cutter with a circle saw on it. So the chainsaw is up here about 20 yards. And there it is, against the base of that tree. First person. First person chainsawer. It's a new game. You run down mountain trails and then you saw through snags as fast as you can. Come play with me. Here we go. Oh. Oh yeah. I forget where you go here. Okay, camera's off while I figure it out. Okay, as it turns out, I just need to keep going straight here, but I got confused because it's kind of brushy, but there's the trail. So I'm just gonna see if I can saw out this one down. What a good boy. So I ran out of gas for the chainsaw. About 2/3 done cutting one log, and there's maybe 3 or so that could be cut as well. So I'm coasting back down with the saw put away back here. And oh, I used Trez because the muffler is right at the front of the saw, and I was concerned when I put it down in there it would melt my pack or my down jacket that was on top there. So I applied Trez and introduced a substance insulator SU, which was a piece of wood. I don't know if it's still there, but that was to insulate the pack from the hot muffler so it wouldn't melt it. Little laying some Trez knowledge on you there. I don't know, this one could be cut and it's not that much of an obstacle. Because you can go around. So, I don't know, if memory serves, it's pretty steep through the woods, and then I go into a little bit of a spine or ridge. You can kind of see it right there. Down that spine, then back through the woods, some steep switchbacks, and that's it. So I don't know if we'll see you again, but it's been a great trip. I still have my arms and legs. and chainsaw and gear and dog. This is the last little steep section. Get scrambled down, hopefully without flipping over. And there might be 2 trucks down here. I bumped into a gentleman on his way up, and I don't see one, so he must have walked in. That's tough.